Dump condensed milk on the grill and go nuts. Guys, take a 395 gram can. Leave it until it absorbs all the condensed milk. Then just take it out. Add 3 spoons of milk powder. Stir well. Now add 200 grams of cream. Stir, and it's ready. Crank up the stove and set to medium heat. Stir until it's right. Guys, we finally got the perfect consistency. The famous Modi's point. We're here. Now we take it off the heat and pour it over plastic wrap. Now shut it close and let it cool. Once cool, grease up a bit of coconut oil on our hands. You can also use water. Your call. Grab some and start kneading. Then stick a strawberry in the center, guys, and start sealing it. If you want, you can use any fruit you like. Then we coat it with semi-sweet chocolate. Now guys, pour all of it into a mold and drizzle some white chocolate. Just need to wait for it to set. Enjoy! Look at this yummy recipe. Super simple, quick, and tasty. Try it at home. Everyone will love it. Hope you like it. This is another Broke in the Kitchen recipe. See you next time and come back.